Come on in and have some fun. Yeah, it's Bubbly Waffle time. Hi, this is Bubbly Waffle, and in today's video, we will be doing some Animal Crossing New Horizons hairstyles on my own real-life hair. Style 1, we are going for wavy, which is the hairstyle that I used the most up until the 2.0 update where we got some new hairstyles. So I am just caking my hair out of these little buns that I had in all day so I could have a slight curl in my hair. Because I did not have a curling iron, so I just decided to do some no heat curls. So I parted my hair to the right and I just basically fluffed up the curls and just kind of did it like that. I might recreate this hairstyle in a later video where I'll actually just do braids instead of curls. Now, this is how you actually get a lot of different hairstyles. In the 2.0 update, you had some new hairstyle options that you had where you could go to Harriet, the poodle, to get some haircuts. Now, you had to do this when you updated Harv's Island. You got access to Harriet. So the next hairstyle that I did is my natural hairstyle, which is a wolf cut / mullet. Funny enough, the day that I got this haircut, the literal day that I got this haircut, I went into Animal Crossing and I went to Harv's Island and I got the exact same haircut from Harriet for the first time. It was the coolest thing. I legitimately am in love with my wolf cut mullet hairstyle. I do need to get it cut a little bit shorter, but I actually went from having like 3-foot long hair, like hair down to my like mid to lower back, and I actually cut it off and I cut like a good 12 inches. It wasn't good enough to donate because I had a lot of damage and whatnot in it because I was just so obsessed with keeping my hair a certain length, but getting that big chop was such a good feeling, and I've had my hair this length for the past year now and I am just so in love with it. So anyone out there who has long hair and is debating on getting a short chop, just do it. Just do it. It can grow back. So to do this hairstyle, I am using my my hairdryer brush, and I am just curling my hair inwards on both sides. And I'm also curling my bangs, which, as you can see, they are kind of acting really finicky. I don't style my bangs that often, and I think I need to ask my hairdresser to show me how to style my bangs again. But this was the final look. My hair is still a little bit wet, so it looks a little wet, as it looks like, but I still really liked it. Again, I might redo this in another video if I'm really finicky, but I liked recreating this, even though it's my natural hairstyle anyways. And then there are other hairstyles that you can get in the game that aren't technically hairstyles. They are actually wigs that you can buy directly through the Able Sisters shop, such as this amazing mohawk wig. And so the next hairstyle, quote unquote, that I'm going to be recreating is going to be this adorable wig with ribbon. When I tell you, when I saw this wig with ribbon design, I went so crazy finding it. I time traveled probably for a good 2 months in the game within a week so I could try to find it, and I didn't. And then one day it just showed up in my Able Sisters shop and I was just so excited. So I am separating my face framing layers from the back of my head using a clip to keep it out of my face. And again, I just have the air dry loose curls / waves. I used 2 clips on each side of my head to make sure that I was getting the same amount of hair in the ponytail to do the upper ponytail. So this is a half pony style, and then you just put the upper half of your hair in a ponytail. You then put a cute little bow on the ponytail, and then to finish off the look, I just re-styled my bangs so they were a lot cuter and fluffier, which again, this turned out a lot better, so I think I just needed a little bit more patience on these bangs than when I tried to do my bangs the first time. Oh, I just love this hairstyle so much. I need to wear it more often. Cottagecore vibes, right? Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!